Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a redeem code on your PandaBuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end back within the homepage, from which if you wish to add a redeem code to your account, then click on your account icon and then click on wallet. Once you are taken inside your wallet page, you will see the coupon option at the top. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the option to enter your code. Just enter your PandaBuy redeem code within the given box and then click on convert. Once the code has been verified, this redeem code will be available underneath available coupon, and you will now be able to use the points from this coupon code while you make your purchases on PandaBuy at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a redeem code on your PandaBuy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.